Introducing the EasyFit Remote, the outdoor connectable lighting system, the simple, flexible way to transform your outdoor space. Designed with low voltage technology, EasyFit is safe for families, pets, and everyday use. And the best part? Installation is quick and straightforward, no electrician needed. The steps are easy. Connect each light to the outlets on the mains cable. Next, connect your remote sensor, followed by the transformer. Lastly, plug to power. To pair the lights with the remote, hold down the power button on the remote for 30 seconds. The lights will flash. They are paired once the lights stay on. You can place your lights however you desire, neatly hiding your cables as you go. Remote controlled, dimmable and colour changing options are available. So sit back, relax and enjoy your outdoor lighting day and night.